Welcome to the official channel of Legal Edge, and here we are to share this very important information with you that we are coming up with our first ever All India Open Mock for NLSAT 2026 examination. So I'll be telling you all about this particular mock test, about the examination, किन शहरों में होने वाला है, ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन होने वाला है, and we'll discuss a lot about this examination in this video. So stay tuned. NLSAT 2026 is right around the corner, and to solidify your preparation, we are coming up with our first ever largest All India Open Mock, which will be conducted online as well as offline at 8 selected top rankers legal aid centers across the country. So, without further ado, let's understand what the two core requirements of this examination is, and NLSAT examination के लिए क्या दो basic criteria हैं जो कि बहुत important है, उनके बारे में बात करते हैं. So the two very integral qualities that you need to possess, one could be a quality and one could be mastered by a lot of effort, is clarity and practice. So you need clarity and practice for this particular examination, and to test yourself, test your level of preparation, we are coming up with an All India Open Mock for NLSAT 2026. So you could give this examination in an online only mode from the comfort of your home, or you could come to your nearest or maybe more approachable legal edge center and appear for this examination offline. So it's all up to you. The setup will be real. It will be a real All India Open mock based on the actual paper pattern. So you know what to expect, you know how you prepared. So you can benchmark, you can test your preparation as per the pan India exposure that you would be getting from appearing for this particular mock test. Number two, you will get a real ranking. All India ranking का भी आपको एक अंदाजा हो जाएगा. So you will have an understanding कि अभी आपकी preparation कहाँ पे है और आप उसको कैसे बेहतर कर सकते हो in the months to come. Then it will be on the NLSAT pattern, right? So who should ideally write this examination? Anyone who's targeting NLSAT 2026 should blindly appear for this examination. If the nearest top rankers legal aid center is not accessible to you, then you can definitely appear it for from online mode. Then students who serious about rankings, अगर उनको rankings से kick मिलती है, rankings से एक understanding मिलती है, perspective मिलता है, तो आपको definitely इस examination में बैठना चाहिए. And anyone who is planning to start early, so you get an early mover advantage. आपको बहुत सारे surprises भी हैं for the people who would be excelling in this examination. So we'll cover that as well. So date of the examination is 15th February. So if you are planning to celebrate Valentine's Day, please make time for this examination. That you have all the time in this world to celebrate anything and everything, but examination के बारे में अगर आप serious हो, you should definitely prepare for the All India Open Mock. Prepare it like it's the real deal, है ना. 10 बजे से 12:30 बजे के बीच में रहेगी टेस्ट विंडो, चाहे वो ऑनलाइन हो चाहे वो ऑफलाइन हो. These are the cities जहाँ के सेंटर्स पर आप ये एग्जामिनेशन में अपियर कर सकते हो. ये 8 शहर हैं. यहाँ पे आप अपने नज़दीकी टॉप रैंकर्स लीगल एड सेंटर पे जाके इस एग्जामिनेशन में ऑफलाइन मोड में अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो. Rewards for excellence. So for anyone who will be excelling in these examination in this particular All India Open Mock, जो पहले top 10 AIRs रहेंगे, उनके लिए we have planned special exciting rewards which we will be disclosing in some time. And for the top 30 students, we are coming up with a champions batch on 21st of February. तो 21st February को हम अपना चैंपियंस बैच लेके आ रहे हैं, जिसमें अगर आपकी रैंक इस ऑल इंडिया ओपन मॉक में अंडर 30 आती है तो यू गेट अ डायरेक्ट एंट्री. फिर सिर्फ आपका इंटरव्यू राउंड रहेगा एंड यू कैन गेट डायरेक्ट एक्सेस टू द चैंपियंस बैच, जहां पर हम आपकी प्रिपरेशन और बेहतर तरीके से कराएंगे सो दैट यू excel in this particular entrance examination. Last but not the least, the examination day is 15th February. समय है सुबह के 10 बजे से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. रियल NLSAT के पैटर्न पे रहेगा, 8 शहरों में होगा, ऑनलाइन भी रहेगा. इंटरव्यू एलिजिबिलिटी फॉर टॉप 30 AIRs एंड स्पेशल प्राइजेस फॉर टॉप 10 AIRs, है ना. तो इसके साथ मतलब ट्रीट दिस लाइक द रियल एनएलसैट एग्जामिनेशन, उस लेवल की प्रिपरेशन करो, उस लेवल के कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ इस मॉक टेस्ट में अपियर करो. फॉर एनी इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन रीच आउट टू द नंबर, और डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है इसका registration link, so you can register yourself from there. And for more information you can call us or visit the Top Rankers Legal Edge portal. All the best.